Hi everyone, and welcome to Into Music with the Voices Foundation. We're so happy to have you here with us. We'll be here every Friday to help you get into musical learning at home. Together we'll be playing with musical concepts, practicing new skills and learning fun songs to sing with the whole family. Let's take a look at what we're doing today. Today we're going to be warming up our bodies, warming up our voices and singing 3 songs that are focusing on the weather. Here where I live in the UK, the weather is quite changeable, so it's always good to have a song up your sleeve for any weather occasion. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We bring you loads of fun content every week and we'd love you to be part of it. You can also follow us at Twitter at voices_found. I'll put the information down here, and you can use the hashtag VFIntoMusic also here, so you can show us all the things that we do together. Tag us in anything that you do at home. We'd love to see how you get on. The first thing we need to do is warm up our body, so I want you to copy me and then follow along. We're going to bring our shoulders up and down and forward and a back and an up and a down and a forward and a back. They're going to go round and round and round and round. You're going to shake your hands this way, this way, that. You'll clap your hands, bigger. We're going to go up and a down and a forward and a back. We're going to go up and a down, forward and a back. We're going to go round and round and round and round, and shake your hands this way, and that, and clap your hands, smaller, up, down, forward, back, up, down, forward, back, round, round, this way, that, clap your hands, really big, go up and down and forward and a back, stretch up, stretch down, a forward and a back, go around and around and around and around. Shake your hands this way, that, clap your hands and stop. Very good. You should feel that your whole of your upper body is nice and loose and relaxed and ready for singing. Another great way to warm ourselves up, focus our brain and we'll start to warm up our voice, is a tongue twister. And we're going to try this one today. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Let's try it, my turn, your turn. How much wood would a woodchuck go? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. That's so hard when we break it down, isn't it? Let's try it a little bit slower. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Go, if a woodchuck could chuck wood. I broke the last one up into a really weird phrase. What's a phrase? A phrase is like a musical sentence. It's where we feel the beginning and the end of something in music. Okay, let's try it all together a little bit faster. Off we go. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Good. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Very, very good. We're going to add another element. We're going to add clapping on the word wood in all of its forms. So W-O-O-D, W-O-U-L-D, that is how you spell it, and woulda. Okay, we're going to add that one in as well. So it'll look and sound like this. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? And again, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Your turn. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? And again, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Brilliant, well done. Let's just try and put the words in our head, bit of inner hearing or musical mind reading, as I like to say, and we're going to just do the claps. Are you ready? Let's focus. Off we go. I think I got it wrong. Let's do it again. Yeah, I did get it wrong. Off we go. And again. Very, very good. I got it wrong on purpose, of course, because there's that bit that goes, if a woodchuck could chuck wood, and I always want to clap on could. So I do an active out clap like this. Woodchuck could chuck wood. See how fast you can do it. Send a video into Twitter, tag us VF Into Music. Now we're going to warm up our singing voices. I'm going to ask you a question and you are going to answer me with yes we have, in the way that I'm saying the question. For example, if I say, have you got your speaking voice? You're going to say, yes we have, yes we have. Okay, here we go. Have you got your whispering voice? Yes we have. Have you got your slow motion voice? Yes we have. Yes we have. Have you got your robot voice? Yeah, we have. Yeah, we have. Have you got your loud voice? Have you got your cold voice? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Have you got your singing voice? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Brilliant. We're ready for our 3 songs. Okay, the first song we're going to do today is a little song called Rain is Falling Down, and it goes like this. Rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter patter, rain is falling down. I like to show the pitch of the music as I'm singing. Rewind. What's pitch? The pitch is how high or low a musical note is. We also have it when we're speaking. We can speak really high or we can speak really low. I'm going to show these pitches on my hands, and musicians give names to these pitches. The pitches we are using today are mi, re and do. Can you roll your R's on re? Mi, re, do. Have a listen. Off I go, rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter patter, rain is falling down. Have a go with me. This is our sign for mi, this is our sign for re, this is our sign for do. You can do it with one hand or 2 and copy me. Off we go, rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter patter, rain is falling down. We're going to have a go at singing it at a lower pitch. You ready? Off we go, rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter patter, rain is falling down. Let's see if we can go even lower. Are you ready? Off we go, rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter patter, rain is falling down. That's really low for me. I'm going to have to go back up higher. Let's see how high we can go. Off we go, rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter patter, rain is falling down. Video yourself doing it. Tag us on Twitter and see how high and low you can sing. Remember to keep singing our mi, re, do. Let's see if we can put some of this music into our head, in our inner hearing, our musical mind reading. We are only going to sing down, which is the note do. Off we go. Down. 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 So much fun! What other combinations can you come up with? The next song we're going to do is a great song called Sally Goes Round the Sun. I love this song. It's a great song for dancing around the room, around the house, around the garden, anywhere with anyone. And it goes like this. Sally goes round the sun, Sally goes round the moon, Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. Woo! And that is very, very important. You can do a woo or a jump or a clap, but I want you to do something there. My turn, your turn. Sally goes round the sun. Sally goes round the moon. Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. Now, the eagle-eared of you might have heard me clicking my fingers. That's so that I kept at the same tempo throughout the song. Whoa, what was that word? Tempo, another musical term. Tempo is the speed of music. We can have a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sally goes round the sun. Sally goes round the moon. Or we can have a fast tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sally goes round the sun. Sally goes round the moon. Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. Woo! What we're going to do today is we're going to experiment with tempo and singing this song and dancing around our room. So you get your best skipping legs on or your best running legs, but you've got to stay to the tempo and stay to the beat, okay? We're going to sing the song in its entirety together now, nice and steadily, and then we're going to explore. Off we go, Sally goes round the sun, Sally goes round the moon, Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. Woo! When you get to that woo, you need to either jump or clap or do something, but I want you to be back where you started as well, okay? So you're going to go round your room or maybe up and down a corridor and get back to where you started, okay? You ready? I think you are. Off we go, Sally goes round the sun, go. Sally goes round the moon, Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. Woo! Are you back with me? Let's try it again. Off we go, Sally goes round the sun, Sally goes round the moon, Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. Woo! Okay, let's experiment. We're going to sing it really slowly now. So you might have to move in slow motion, but get back to me for the woo that we're going to do in slow motion. Off we go, Sally goes round the sun, Sally goes round the moon, Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. Woo! Are you with me? Good stuff. Let's go really, really fast, okay? Mind yourself, be careful. Off we go, Sally goes round the sun, Sally goes round the moon, Sally goes round the chimney tops every afternoon. I forgot to do the woo, but I hope you're back with me. It's great to think about tempo when you're singing a song, because sometimes when we're singing our favourite songs, if we sing it too fast, we can't get the words out clearly. And if we sing it too slowly, then we lose interest in the song. So always pick the right tempo for the songs you want to sing. Okay, the next song that we're going to look at, we're going to think about rhythm. Now, rhythm is the pattern of long and short sounds that you hear in music. These patterns of long and short sounds are normally heard over a beat. So I'm going to clap a 4-beat pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I'm now going to say a sentence and then we'll break it down and find the rhythm. Off I go. Rain, rain, falling down. Okay, that's my short sentence. Rain, rain, falling down. To me, I heard a long sound, 2 short sounds and a long sound. Rain, rain, falling down. Can you say that with me? Rain, rain, falling down. Very, very good. One more time. Rain, rain, falling down. We're now going to say them as long, long, short, short, long. 1, 2, off we go. Long, long, short, short, long. That can be quite a mouthful to say, so musicians have a special name for the rhythms, and they say the long sound, long 1-beat sound as ta, and the shorter sounds, 2 shorter sounds on 1 beat as te te, okay? So you'll hear ta, ta, te te ta, 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 te te ta. Can you say that with me? Go! Ta, ta, te te ta. Very, very good. We'll do more about this over the next few weeks and we'll build up our knowledge and be musical superpowers. We're going to sing a short song now that uses ta and te and a one beat rest that we're going to call za. But because it's a rest, it's got silence in it. So I like to say it like this. Absolutely no sound at all. Can you say that with me? Very, very good. I'm going to sing the song to you now. Off I go, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftops, but not on me. Now I'm sure your brain is already thinking, I can hear long sounds, I can hear short sounds, I can hear silence. Let's do it again. Off I go, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftops, but not on me. I am now going to sing it using our rhythm name. Do you remember our ta, ta, te, te, ta? Have a listen. Ta, te, te, ta, 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 te, te, ta. Ta, te, te, ta, te, te, ta, ta, ta. Did you spot the zars? I'll do it again. Ta, te, te, ta, 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 te, te, ta. Ta, te, te, ta, te, te, ta, te, te, ta. That's the rhythm of the song, okay? So I'm going to teach it to you with the words, then I'm going to teach it to you with the rhythm, then we're going to sing both. My turn, your turn. Off I go. Oh, slightly lower pitch. I bet you noticed that as well now that you are a musical genius. Off I go, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftops, but not on me. Very, very good. Let's do longer phrases together. Off I go, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftops, but not on me. You would have heard that I put a click where those zars are this time so we could really hear that there was no note there. Let's try and sing the whole song. Off we go, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftops, but not on me. Well done everyone, we've learnt the song, tick. Now let's sing the rhythm. Okay, remember our one beat sound is called ta, and our shorter sound, which are actually half a beat each, are called te te. My turn, your turn. Off I go, ta te te ta ta, ta te te ta, ta te te ta te te, ta ta ta. Very, very good. Well done. I'm going to put those into longer phrases. Off I go, ta te te ta 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 te te ta, ta te te ta te te ta ta ta. Very, very good. Thank you for being with us today. We hope you had a lot of fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed the songs used in today's video, be sure to check out the Voices Foundation Inside Music books linked in the description below. We hope you enjoy singing those songs over the weekend and we'll see you next Friday. Bye for now.